Alpin Haus started in 1964 as a ski shop. It was started with only one full-time employee and a handful of helpers. It's now grown into a recreational powerhouse. We do skis, pools, hot tubs, RVs, boats, snowmobiles, you name it. If it's fun, we typically have our hand in it. We started with the one ski shop, and in 2010, we opened another ski shop in Clifton Park. So now we have two ski shops in the capital region, servicing all of our customers. Our slogan has been for years, run by skiers and riders, for skiers and riders, and we're certainly passionate about what we do. Over the years, the technology in skis and snowboards has just completely blown my mind. Even from one year to the next, when I test skis, I'm just absolutely amazed how the manufacturers can change just one little detail in the ski that gives it so much more reaction on the snow. And when you have skis that are so precise, you really need a machine that can tune them so that they always have that feel like they are fresh out of the box by the manufacturer. In the past, we would typically use a belt grinder or perhaps a stone. A lot of times do all the detail work by hand, but now with our new Wintersteiger Mercury, all of that can be duplicated very easily by our computerized and fully automated machine. We really can bring through more consistency. The computer that operates the machine has so many different levels as to which we can design different tunes for different snow conditions, different activities such as recreational skiing versus race. So it lends itself for us to really hone in on more precise tuning.
Well, here at Alpin Haus, we've been leading the ski industry for many, many years. But what's been difficult with the big change in equipment in the last 10 or 15 years, they've come out with wider skis and they're much harder to tune. So when it comes to the ski shops such as ours, and we want to replicate the way it came from the factory, the best way to do that in the past has been hand tuning. But each ski has its own personality. They have different angles for the bottom edge and the side edge, depending on the brand and the model ski. So therefore, we decided to invest in a very, very sophisticated machine, Wintersteiger Mercury. You can replicate the tune for each person, depending on what ski they have. We can load it into the computer. It stores the person's name and the way he likes the ski's tuned, and we can replicate it over and over again, and it comes out exact. They have ceramic stones in there, which polishes the ski when you get done grinding the bottom and putting a new structure in the bottom. Then the ceramic edgers take over, make it very, very smooth so it comes out and it'll replicate a factory finish. Or if it wants to be custom made, we can also do that with this new machine.
If you think back to just how the progression of skis and snowboarding have evolved over the years from, full wood straight skis to shaped skis with rocker, to shaped skis with rocker and camber. All these different things mesh together really to give the skier or snowboarder a better experience on the snow. This machine will really lend itself to be able to keep up with that technology and allow us to give our customers what they were asking for. Luckily with Alpin Haus, the way that we operate, we're constantly evolving, constantly changing, and this machine just really proves it. We're looking to provide exactly what our customers wanted. I'm excited every time I bring somebody here to see it. The smile they get on their face saying, this is where we want to be. This is who we come to, and you guys have always been there for us. And hearing those things from our customers really seals the deal that we made the right choice with the Mercury machine. Based on the feedback and how much we've seen the youth program really excel, we have a lot of moms and dads that have been coming in saying, well, what about me? I want to ski again too. I'm seeing my son or my daughter have so much fun out in the snow. We want to experience that with them. So we're going to be adding an adult season-long rental program as well. So in addition to the Wintersteiger Mercury machine, we're going to be offering a season pass opportunity for all of our customers this year. The season pass will provide unlimited tunes all season long for one pair of skis for our customers. Then we also have a second tier, which is going to be our Premier, which is going to have a more customization into the tuning, different wax types, different structure types, and also gives you the benefit of bringing in 2 pairs of skis versus 1. And those Premier holders will also get some in-store discounts up to 20% off any regularly priced item in our store as well. Now we can not only provide great product, but we can maintain it for all of our customers at a more rapid rate, a more consistent rate, and really provide that exceptional service that meets our customers' expectations. So as you can probably see, we're extremely excited for this year as a company. We have the new machine, but whether you're somebody that's in our lease program, our youth lease, our adult lease, or an expert level skier, or perhaps even a racer, our goal right now is to be able to provide the most premium service on skis, because there is no greater thing than to have a really good product underneath your feet when you're out there skiing or snowboarding.
When you can fine tune the ski, it's like it'll put the smile on your face. And when they're not tuned right, you got to work a lot harder, so why not make it easier?